Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about subtraction of mixed numbers. Okay, so proceed agad tayo sa ating example, number 1. Okay, so number 1, 1 and 3/5 minus 2 and 3/4. Okay, i-rewrite ko lang muna ha. 1 and 3/5 minus 2 and 3/4. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so si mixed number, i-rename natin yan o i-change natin into improper fraction. So, how to rename this one or change into improper? I-multiply natin yan si 5 kay 1, so that is 5. Then, i-add, multiply yan, tapos i-add natin si, okay, so 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, 8 over 5. Kopyahin natin yung minus sign. Tapos ito, si 2 and 3/4. So magiging 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. 11 over 4. Okay, so ngayon, dito tayo sa baba konti. Equals. Kunin natin yung LCD kasi hindi pareho yung kanilang denominator. So, dapat ay yung LCD ay ma-divide sa 5 at saka ma-divide sa 4. So, yung LCD natin dito is 20. Okay, so 20 divided by 5, that is 4. Multiply natin kay 8, so that is 32. Minus, so 20 divided by 4 is 5. Multiply kay 11, that is 55. Equals, so isubtract natin yung numerator. Okay, so 32 minus 55. So since mas malaki yung 55 compare natin sa 32, so yung sign natin dito is negative. Okay, then isubtract na lang natin yan. Or 55 minus 32, that is 3, 2. Ay, sorry. 5 minus 2 is 3. Tama. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Or negative 23 over 20. Or, so, i-change natin itong improper into mixed number. So, negative 23, divide natin kay 20. So, negative 1. So, this is negative 20. So, 3. So, negative 1, dito sa baba ha. Or, negative 1 and 3 over 20. So, ito yung mixed number. Ito yung improper fraction. Okay, next, number 2. So, negative 1 and 3/5. I-minus natin kay 3 and 2/3. So, ganun pa rin gagawin natin. I-change natin or i-rename natin si negative 1 and 3/5 into improper fraction. So, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8 over 5. Okay? Minus 3 times 3, 9 plus, ay, sorry. Meron pang negative pala ito si negative 8. Kasi negative 1 yan. Di ba? So, negative 8 over 5. Then minus 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 2 is 11 over 3. Okay, tapos kunin natin yung kanilang LCD. Kasi nga, hindi pareho ang kanilang denominator. So, yung LCD natin is dapat ma-divide sa 5 at saka ma-divide sa 3. So, yung LCD is 15. Okay, so 15, i-divide natin kay 5, that is 3. I-multiply natin kay negative 8, that is negative 24. Kopyahin natin yung minus sign. Tapos 15 divided by 3 is 5. Multiply natin kay 11, that is 55. Okay, tapos i-add natin yung nasa numerator or i-subtract natin. Okay, negative 24, add pala. So, negative 55. Kasi kung yung sa rule ng subtraction, so, i-change natin yung sign ng 55, this is positive, di ba? So, magiging negative. Then, change the sign of the subtrahen, di ba, magiging positive and proceed to addition. So, magiging negative 24 plus negative 55. Okay, ganun din yan. So, kapag the same sign, we have to copy their common sign and then add. So, 9, 7. Okay, so, negative 79 over 15. Okay, so i-change natin yan si improper fraction into mixed number. Or, so divide natin yan. So, negative 79 sa 15. So, okay lang. Try natin sa 5. 25. 5, 7. Okay, so negative 5. Magiging negative 75. So, 4. So, negative 5 and 4 over 15. So, kapag ma-reduce into lowest term, i-reduce natin. Pag hindi, huwag na natin pilitin. So, ito yung mixed number. Ito yung improper fraction. So, next, number 3. 3 and 1 half. Minus natin kay negative 2 and 1/3. Okay? Equals, change muna natin yan or rename into mixed improper fraction. So, 2 times 3, that is 6, plus 1, that is 7, over 2. Minus 2, 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. Negative 7 over 3. Okay? So, ngayon, kunin na naman natin yung kanilang LCD. Dito tayo sa baba. So, yung LCD natin is 6. Kasi si 6 ma-divide sa 2 at saka ma-divide kay 3. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Multiply natin kay 7, that is 21. Minus, then, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Multiply kay negative 7, that is negative 14. Okay, equals. So, ang mangyayari dito, we have to apply the rule of subtraction. Kopyahin muna natin yung min. Tapos, yung subtrahen, change natin yan, magiging positive yan, and proceed to addition. So, itong negative, magiging positive yan. So, plus, positive 14 over 6 equals. So, i-add natin yan, 21 plus 14, that is 5, 3. So, 35 over 6. Or, so, divide natin yan. 6, hindi pwede. So, 5, 30. So, 5 and 5 over 6. 5 and 5 over 6. Ito yung mixed number. Ito yung improper. Next, number 4. Negative 3 and 4/5 minus negative 2 and 3/4. Okay? So, change natin into improper. So, 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? Plus 4, that is 19 or negative 19 over 5. Minus 8 plus 3 is 11. Negative 11 over 4. Okay, then kunin natin yung kanilang LCD. LCD natin is 20. Kasi si 20 ma-divide sa 5 at saka kay 4. So, 20 divided by 5 is 4. Multiply natin kay 19. Okay, 36. 4, 7. Okay, so negative 76 minus 20 divided by 4 is 5. Multiply ka negative 55. Negative 5 is negative 55. So, equals. So, negative 76. Apply natin yung rule of subtraction. So, from negative, magiging positive yan. And proceed to addition. So, magiging plus yan. So, plus 55 over 20. So, negative 76 minus natin kay 55, 1, 2. Or negative 21. Okay, so this is equal to negative 21 over 20. Negative kasi mas malaki yung 76 compare natin kay 55. So, we have to copy the sign of the bigger number. Or, So, this is negative 1 and 1 over 20. Okay, kasi divide natin yan, negative 21 divide kay 20 is negative 1. So, negative 20. Okay, so negative 1 and 1 over 20. Ito yung mixed number. Ito yung improper fraction. Next, number 5, the last example. 2/5 minus 1 and 3/4. So, since 2/5 is a proper fraction, huwag na nating i-change yan. So, this is, kopyahin mo na lang, 2/5 minus si 1 and 3/4, i-change natin yan or i-rename natin into improper fraction. So, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3. Okay? That is 7 over 4. Okay? So, huwag kalimutan, i-multiply yan. So, 4, i-add yan. So, plus 3. So, 7. So, ang LCD natin is 20. I-multiply mo na lang yan, di ba? So, 20 divided by 5 is 4. Times 2, 8. Minus 20 divided by 4 is 5. Times 7, 35. Okay, then equals 8 minus 35. So, take note, yung sign natin dito is negative kasi mas malaki si 35 compared to 8. So, this is 15. So, 7. Magiging 2. Okay, so negative 27 over 20. Or, negative 1, 7 over 20. Okay, so, para sure lang, negative 27, divide natin kay 20. So, this is negative 1. Negative 20. Okay, so, negative 1 and 7 over 20. Ito yung mixed number. So, ito yung improper fraction. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.